Hey guys, so I'm doing a super quick video with you. I want to show you all of the clearance things that I have bought so far so that you guys can head out and go and look for these things. So right now it's August. It's the perfect time to start stocking those clearance aisles at your favorite stores. Some of the ways that I find clearance is by going out of town. So I usually an hour out max, but I will visit different stores and check their clearance aisles. It's fun for me to do, and I love it because I save so much money. So let me show you guys what I have got within the last few weeks. So I got these two planters. These are 10-inch each, terracotta. They're footed and they have drainage holes. These were $5 each. I got two. Then I got these two right here. This is a terrarium set, terrarium kit, and I got two of these. They were $1 each. So I got two of those. I got this Better Homes and Gardens moss, which is perfect for terrariums or top dressing your plants. This was $1 from Walmart. So I got two bags of the Burpee Organic Seed Starting Mix. They were $3.50 each. Seed starting season is around the corner. We start in late December, January here, so this is right on time. I also grabbed these garden lights. These were, I think they were $2.50 a box. So yeah, they have 6 in the pack. $2.50 a box for the garden lights. All their lights were on clearance, but I got these ones. These match what I already have in the garden. They're not super bright, but they do provide a guide, at least for us when we're taking the dog out at night, so we know where things are. $2.50 a box. So I snagged these bags last night from Walmart for $1 a bag. I paid $1 for each of these. Such a good deal. Check your Walmarts. This is my favorite soil to use. $1 a bag. I got this propagation kit for $2.50. So cute. I got these 3 wire baskets, $7 each. And I'm actually gonna put my potatoes in these after I harvest them. Good morning. Hi, sweeties. Did you sleep good? Yeah, everybody wants a snack, huh? They want a snack. Yeah, we'll get you snacked up later, don't worry. So it's the next day. And don't mind my face. Just got up not too long ago. Having my coffee, but I want to share with you guys. So I ended up going back to Walmart last night, and sure enough, they still had a full pallet of soil left, and they had a pallet and a half left. So when I went there the prior day, I only bought 11 bags. And, talking to my husband, he's like, that's such a good deal. And I'm like, I use this Pro Mix soil in my containers, sorry, you guys know it's so loud here. Yeah, working towards a farm. We're working towards that. But anyway, I use this Pro Mix soil for everything. I use it in my garden beds, my raised beds. I use it in my containers for my house plants, and I use it in my outdoor containers too because it's potting mix. So I basically use it for everything. And then you guys know the yellow bag of Pro Mix, which is the compost bag. I feel like they're almost the same except one includes compost. So for the Pro Mix, I just, depending on what I'm planting, I will add things to the soil to make it appropriate for whatever plant or whatever planting situation that I'm using it in. But anyways, So I went back last night and we got more potting mix, and I just want to show you guys. So here is the haul. We got 40 more bags. That leaves us with a total of 51 bags of potting mix. This is my favorite potting mix, so I'm really happy to have this. This is the potting mix like that I prefer to use if I'm, you know, if I need potting mix. Now I'll use other potting mixes. I don't have a problem with any other, but this is just my favorite because it is such a good base soil. It doesn't have all like tons of extra stuff in it. I can add in what I want, and it's not like, you know, an overdose of anything. So when I'm speaking of overdose, is like fertilizer. So, you know, some of the soil brands will add fertilizer in. I don't think this has it in there, so it's nice for me because then I can add in a granular of my choice. Usually these days I am doing just the liquid feed, which is a quick feed, so it works for me. And then depending on the plants, I'll add in, you know, extra stuff like orchid bark, charcoal, perlite, vermiculite, whatever is needed. So this is perfect. So what makes this find even better for me personally is because my area does not stay stocked up on soil. So at this time, my stores do not have this right now. They ran out of this soil like probably early July and have not had it in stock. So I'm constantly planting, repotting, and things like that. So this is all day long. Trucks go by all day long. Bad mufflers go by all day long, and it's not where we want to be right now. Anyway, so it's perfect soil because my stores don't stock this soil continuously. They get like a shipment in probably this year. We got it around April. I think I already mentioned this, but it's so hard for me to get a hold of this soil locally. I love having this, and I already estimate that by this time next year I'll have used up all of this soil, most of it, filling my containers, filling my raised beds with it, and, you know, repotting houseplants and things like that. So I mean, half of this will probably be gone, you know, this fall when I take out my stuff from spring and fall, you know, close down for winter. I will probably take that soil and refill my raised beds at the end of the season or early spring, whatever I feel like doing. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that little extra bit of soil that we got. The other soil is right there, and so we're gonna clear a spot in the top of the garage and put that soil up there and just have a soil wall. That's pretty much what it's gonna turn into. It's a wall of soil. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. And this soil was from Walmart for $1. So check your stores, check your area, go out of your area, go out of town, and look for this soil. You can call ahead if you want, and that way you don't waste a trip. But there's still so much more to see on clearance at those stores, so you might even find other things that you would need. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.